Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving deep into XRP today.
Ooh, XRP sounds exciting.
It is. There's a really interesting article out from Crypto Briefing.
Okay.
It's all about how XRP just smashed past $100 billion market cap
Wow.
for the first time since 2018, which is,
That's huge.
it is a big deal.
Yeah.
It's not just some little jump, you know?
Right.
This article says XRP surged 18% in just one day.
Whoa.
22% over the week. And hold on to your hats.
Okay.
193% since the beginning of the year.
No way. That's incredible.
It is. And with that market cap jump, XRP is now the 5th largest crypto asset.
Really?
Yeah. It overtook BNB.
Wow. It's like watching some underdog just
I know.
dominating suddenly.
I love that analogy. But it gets even more interesting.
Okay.
The article dives into what's actually driving this surge.
Okay.
It's not just random market stuff. It's
Right.
political shifts, regulatory changes. It's like a crypto thriller in real life.
I'm hooked already.
So first up, we've got Trump's re-election.
So Trump's back
in the White House. And remember how pro-crypto he was during his campaign?
Oh, yeah. He was all over that.
Well, it seems like the market is taking him seriously.
Interesting.
Investors are feeling a lot more confident with him at the helm again.
Makes sense. Like a green light.
Exactly. But hold on, because here comes a twist.
Ooh.
SEC Chair Gary Gensler just resigned.
No way.
Yeah. And the crypto world, especially XRP, is buzzing about it.
Wow. So what does this mean for crypto?
Well, Gensler was seen as a bit skeptical of crypto, right?
Yeah, kind of.
So his departure is sparking a lot of speculation.
I bet.
Some experts think ongoing SEC cases against crypto companies, including Ripple.
Ripple, the company behind XRP.
Right. They think those cases might get dismissed or settled.
Wow, that would be huge.
It would be a complete game changer. And the article points out
Yeah.
that XRP jumped above $1 the second those Gensler exit rumors started.
Oh, wow.
And then when it was official, bam, 25% surge to $1.44 port war.
That's insane.
It just shows how much power regulatory uncertainty has.
Yeah, one change at the top and
The whole market reacts.
it's crazy.
And it's not just about Gensler either. Ripple itself is making some big moves.
Like what?
We're talking stablecoin plans, business expansion, and they're getting noticed by big institutions.
Oh, wow. So they're not just riding the wave.
No, they're shaping it.
I like that.
Like they're playing chess while everyone else is doing checkers.
Yeah.
For example, you've got asset managers like Bitwise and Canary Capital.
Okay.
They're actively trying to get SEC approval for XRP ETFs.
XRP ETFs, that would be...
It's huge. Can you imagine?
It would change the game completely.
And don't forget Ripple's own RLUSD stablecoin.
Right.
It's just waiting for the green light from the New York Department of Financial Services.
So much potential.
I know. But before we get too carried away, let's talk about the potential downsides.
Oh, right. Every roller coaster has its dips.
Exactly. And we want to be realistic about the risks, too.
Absolutely. What does the article say? So downsides. What should people watch out for with XRP?
Well, not everyone is convinced about XRP yet.
Okay. Makes sense.
Even with all these gains, Martin, that crypto quant guy,
Oh, yeah. I remember him.
he's still saying be careful,
Really?
especially because of all that leverage trading.
Leverage. It's
The
a...
megaphone for your bets.
Yeah, exactly.
Amplify your wins, amplify your losses.
And if the market turns,
It can get ugly fast.
it's like dominoes, one falls
The
and...
whole thing crashes down.
Exactly.
And, you know, the article even mentions this example from before,
Okay.
where a similar pump driven by leverage
Yeah.
ended with XRP dropping 17%.
Ouch.
Yeah, makes you think.
Definitely.
And then there's that RSI, the Relative Strength Index.
Oh, right. The marathon runner analogy.
Yep, XRP's RSI is still way up at 89.
So it's still sprinting.
Pretty much.
Needs to slow down.
It does. It can't just keep going at that pace forever.
Right. Burnout.
Exactly. It's so important to keep a level head,
Absolutely.
especially when things are moving this fast.
FOMO is real.
It is, but it shouldn't control your decisions.
You've got to be thoughtful.
That's the key takeaway here.
Makes sense.
Whether it's XRP or any other coin, do your research, understand the risks,
Right.
have a plan.
That's the winning strategy.
It is. So we've covered a lot.
Yeah.
Politics, regulations, Ripple's moves, even some warnings.
We've got the whole picture,
I think so.
but there's still one more piece.
Oh, you're right.
The big picture, the future.
We've got to talk about what all this means for XRP and the whole crypto world.
Okay, let's do it.
Back in a flash to explore that. All right, we're back and ready to wrap up our XRP deep dive.
XRP, what a ride.
It has been. We've seen the surge, the reasons behind it, and those little warning signs.
Right, the whole picture.
Now let's zoom out even further.
Okay, the big picture.
Exactly. What does this all mean for the future of crypto? Not just XRP, but the whole space.
That's the big question, isn't it?
It is. And this whole situation with XRP, it really highlights how connected everything is.
It does. Politics, regulations, the market, it's all linked.
Like one big tangled web.
And XRP is right in the middle of it.
It is. And this is like a test case for other countries.
Oh, interesting.
They're watching how the U.S. handles crypto.
They're taking notes.
If they follow a similar path, are we going to see more surges like this, more regulatory battles?
It's hard to say, but it's definitely something to watch.
Absolutely. And here's another thought. We've talked about XRP's potential.
Right, it's got a lot of it.
But what would it actually take for it, or any crypto really, to become mainstream, like everyday payment?
That's a good question.
What needs to happen?
Well, first, we need the rules to be clear.
You mean regulations?
Yeah. Right now, it's still a bit of a Wild West.
It makes businesses hesitant.
Exactly. They need to know what the rules are.
Like building a house on solid ground.
Exactly. Second, crypto needs to be easier to use.
Oh, you mean like user-friendly?
Yeah, less intimidating for the average person.
Right, because right now, it's all wallets and keys and exchanges.
It can be confusing.
It needs to be as easy as using a credit card.
Exactly. Just tap and go.
And finally, trust.
Ah, yes. Trust is huge.
There have been scams, hacks. It makes people nervous.
Understandably so.
But the more people learn about crypto,
The more comfortable they'll get.
Exactly. Education is key.
It is. Knowledge is power.
Yeah. So, to wrap up this deep dive,
Okay.
what have we learned?
Well, we've learned that crypto is exciting. It's got huge potential.
But it's also risky.
Definitely. It's volatile. Things can change fast.
Politics and regulations can shake things up.
And companies can make moves that impact the whole market.
But the most important lesson,
Stay informed.
do your research.
Don't just blindly follow the hype.
Be thoughtful, be balanced.
That's how you navigate the crypto world.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thanks.
So to everyone listening, keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, maybe one day we'll all be using XRP or some other crypto for our daily coffee.
That would be amazing.
Wouldn't it? Thanks for joining us on this XRP adventure.
It's been fun.
Until next time, stay curious and keep on exploring.